Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to decorate one of the little wooden trucks that we got at Dollar Tree. So I grabbed this little wooden truck from Dollar Tree in the Crafter's Square section. You'll need some floral foam, a mini Jenga block, but I did not end up using it, some mini sunflowers, and some hay. I also used Apple Barrel Laguna color paint and black. So the first thing I did was take a pencil and draw out the other half of the wheel on the truck for the tire, so I knew where to not paint with my Laguna color. Next, I painted the whole truck inside and out with the Laguna color, everything except for the tire area on the inside and the outside. And this is how it looks after 2 coats. As you can see, I left the tires plain. Now I'm going to take my black paint and paint the shape of the tires on the inside and outside on both sides of the truck. And that's how it looks all painted. Next, I took a couple pieces of my floral foam and I put a little bit of hot glue right on the braces that hold the 2 pieces of the truck together. And I just hot glued them together and onto the brace. Next, I took some of the straw hay looking stuff that I got at Dollar Tree and I hot glued that right on top of the foam that I just put in. And I just used some scissors to cut down the straw hay stuff so it wasn't going all wiry. Next, I cut the stems off of my mini sunflowers and just started pushing them in all throughout the floral foam until I filled the bed of the truck. And how adorable is that? I believe I used 6 or 7 of the sunflowers and it completely filled the bed of the truck. Next, I took some of the Dollar Tree sunflower stickers and I just put a small one on the door. If you have other sunflower stickers or any other embellishments that you want to put on, that's totally fine. I just thought the truck needed a little something. And that is it. This project is all done. You can make this however you want. You could paint the truck a different color. You could add different flowers. It's totally up to you. I just really liked the teal green color and the sunflowers together with the teal and the yellow. It just looks amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to spread the chaos and don't forget to sign up for our texting community so you don't miss any new DIYs.